All right, getting back into the swing of things here, getting inspired of by Charles Tyler and then Enzo as well, trying to make some videos. So here we go. Um, I just think first of all, I want to talk about on the Spy is this sort of like calm before the storm because we got Jerome Powell talking later today, and I find it interesting that we have a range up here. This is when Omicron was freaking out, and then basically right now we're just making a indecision right here, and we're just kind of chopping and waiting for an announcement right now. The R-vol on Spy was really low when it opened this morning. It was in the 30s, and now it's only at 57% when I make this video. So you can just really feel the calm before the storm, I think. Um, so I really just wanted to take it easy today, just take a couple trades, and that's exactly what I did. Um, I'll start off with I'll start off with a lot of them. Why not? This is the one I did not take, but have been watching Futu, and I liked how. Let me zoom out on this chart a little bit more. No, okay. Um, I liked really how we had a range right here. This previous day's clothesline is basically the range here that, and I had been trying to. I tried to play it yesterday, but it went up and it didn't really do what I was thinking. It's in a downtrend, as you can see here on the daily chart. So I'm really short biased. I'm looking for these pops, these short the pops, little squeezes, and then we go. And then this morning it was doing the same thing underneath that level again, and then just went straight down. And I was gonna play, these levels in here as areas to partial. It looks like this bottom one really worked really well. And then maybe hold 10% for some amazing move like that. So that's what I was thinking on that one, but I never took it. I was watching these other two, and plus I was waiting for a little squeeze up, and it never really squeezed at all. So I tried DK and G. On the higher time frame, it's been downtrending. I'd have to go further back in this, but I don't know how far back it goes. But anyway, I drew this trend line a long time ago, and it finally broke out a little bit, and then it's like got back into it now, and so that kind of piqued my interest a little bit, especially when it was at these lows here, these high volume lows right here. You can see it on the daily chart too, right here. There's these high volume lows right here, and we're basically opening at that area. You can see the pre-market action is just teetering on that. So I was just waiting for a good signal on that to take, and I tried it, but I don't know what's up with DAS lately, but it was extremely laggy and jumpy and not printing things until way late. And I don't know what's up, but I got in short with my stop loss up here above this pre-market high, previous day's close. Remember that previous day's close? That was the level. So I went ahead and used pre-market high as well, gave it a little bit short. And I moved to break even on this, but it never actually came to my stop out, which is very weird. I don't know. And I actually got filled higher than where the price actually was at the time. And then you can see there's like a gap right here, like a small little gap on like where this candle closed and where this one opened, and I got screwed in all that. So that really ticked me off and really kind of I don't know, it really put me in a sour mood, I must say. And then I almost got in here as it just kind of parabolically went up on volume with topside wicks. Look at all these topside wicks right back to the level. I mean, the whole time I'm going, this is going back down. And so when it broke here, I didn't really like it. I wanted like one more candle for a clean break, so I didn't really want that one. And then when it came right here, I almost hit in there, but I didn't really trust DAS at the time. I didn't know if it was printing more volume or not. It was pretty light volume actually, so I was kind of like, I don't know. So anyway, DAS kind of made me start second guessing myself, but I don't want to blame DAS. It's at the end of the day, it's all on me, right? It's all on me. So um, all on me. I did move my stop to break even up there. If I'd have let it go, it'd been fine. Trade would have worked. But anyway, so I came over to pin P, and it's a very similar setup. It's a same sector. It's downtrending on the daily as well, so I'm short biased. We've got it broke these two main ones right here, like this level right here. That's this over here. It broke that, but it formed like this 2 or 3 day range right here, and so I was really looking for, and in the pre-market it was in here, so I'm really looking for a short off previous day's close to break that, and then head lower and do a full ATR move for the way down, and I got it right here. You can see I shorted right here. Um, my stop loss was I believe it was I think it was up here. Yeah, I think it was just above open price if I'm not mistaken. Um, and I got filled at 40. I remember I had a 35-cent stop, so and I got filled at 46.03, so that would be 38. 46.38 was my stop. So yeah, I was probably right, just above that. So got the took a big partial right here at 45. The whole dollar number volume kicked in. It went a little lower. I nailed the 44.50 level, and I'll show in just a second where I found that. I'm very surprised that it's coming back up right now because I still have 25% that I was holding for 44, because that's not a full ATR move. An ATR is like $3 on this, and it's only moved 2. So I was expecting another move down to 44, maybe even possibly lower, but I was going to get out at 44. But I thought it was kind of cool how I found this 44.50, and I found it on the daily from a long time ago right here, real quick. Excuse me. Yeah, right here is in between these two volume days right here. This is 44.50 right here. And I just kind of was like, that's a good target right there. Kind of right before it really broke out and really started, taking off. Um, oh yeah, that line should be right here. So that was like really where it broke. Yeah, that line moved because I zoomed out, but it really should be right there. So anyway, right there. So that's what I got. I like those high volume days. Obviously, all this is really good targets, but you're not going to get that in one day. That's somewhere in there, stuff like that. So that one, it's just too far. It's not a full ATR. RVOL is not really there. It was only at 90%. So anyway, so there's that. I was watching DKNG with Penn in conjunction, and DK was leading the way. Whatever DK would do, Penn would kind of somewhat follow, and that was interesting to watch. So that's pretty much it for my day today. I'll try to keep making these videos, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for listening.